Hey everyone, today you are going to learn a new poem by, drumroll please, James Carter. I simply love this poem and I promise you're going to love it too. So what I'm going to do now is going to show you a map of this poem, okay? I will do some actions, say some words. Your job is to learn them by heart. And once you are 100% confident, you're going to record a video and send it to us. Thumbs up if you understand that. Let's have a go now. The title of our poem is Busy Bugs. And the action goes like that. Busy bugs. Out in the garden, look down low. See all the busy bugs. Come and go. Wriggly bugs that can't keep still. Tiny bugs that build a hill. Shiny bugs that feed on leaves. Spotty bugs that climb up the tree.